What up, Oklahoma Hustle crew? So, welcome to my backyard. We had a pretty hefty windstorm the other night, and we lost the branch. Let me show you said branch. Boom. So that's the branch. That branch is about to be cut up and placed by the curb. So I got in my handy dandy tool bag I got my steel MS 170 chainsaw. It's probably only been used by me like a handful of times, if that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for probably the next hour or two. But don't worry, I got water so I can stay hydrated and fueled. It's even got a liquid IV packet in there. So I'm gonna jam out to some tunes, hack up this branch, this tree limb, and put it by the curb and show you all the progress after that. Let's get it. Like I said, it's been a really long time since I've used this thing, so time out. Alright, so whoever used it last put the chain on backwards, so it was not even cutting at all. So let's go ahead and give this another whirl and see the outcome now. Alright, yet another setback. Check this out. Little bird. So now I guess I gotta play animal rescue or something like that and put him somewhere safe, or her safe, I don't know. Let me go try to find a dang shoebox. Put this bird in. I'll be back. Alright, so I showed y'all the bird. Here it is in the box. So I don't know what we're going to do with it. Probably take it to the animal hospital or something like that and see if we can't get it help. So let's get back to cutting. All right. Please enjoy this brief pause while while I rehydrate. Okay, now it's time for the big boys. This is good grip strength training. All right, so that's it for cleaning up this big old branch that was up there. But now you can see there's tons of finer sticks around here, so I'm gonna take the rake and rake those up. I'm sorry if the audio quality is not great, but kind of shooting on the fly. But I'm gonna rake all those up into a big pile and then get rid of it. So hold out for another water break. All right, phase 2. I'm not gonna lie, this damn rake, big plastic pan rake or whatever they are, this thing is, that's king. I like it. Makes raking easy. Getting a crazy bicep pump. Okay. All right, so we've rounded up a lot of the sticks and extra debris and dirt and leaves and everything. Now I'm gonna bring a trash can back here and fill it up with a little bit of what we got back here. So that's what my game plan is now. It's getting kind of cloudy. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but it is what it is. So Right. Alright, crew. As of right now, I'm gonna be at a standstill because I filled up my trash can about 3/4 of the way, and we'll have a little room for a little garbage or whatever. I've already filled up my wheelbarrow, and so I really have nowhere else to put anything else. So we'll wait until trash comes on Tuesday, and then we'll put some more in there, and we'll figure out something to do with the wheelbarrow. So, but other than that, I really appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all have a great day. In part 2, I'm gonna do a video on this dirty piece right here. Leaves, dirt, dust everywhere. So I'll record power washing and doing all that good stuff. And yeah, so like I said, thanks for watching, y'all.